Ever wonder why you yawn when someone else does? It's not just your body copying theirs. It's actually empathy at work. Scientists say yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons in your brain, the same ones responsible for understanding others' feelings. That's why people who are more empathetic are more likely to catch a yawn. So next time someone yawns and you follow, congrats. You've just shown you're a kind human with a big heart. Did you just yawn? Be honest. Comment down below and follow for more such video.